So, you just spent $20,000 on a new roof, and you think you're covered because you got a warranty, right? Then something goes wrong, and that warranty gap just cost you even more money out of pocket. Today, I'm gonna make sure you fully understand roof warranties so that you don't end up spending more than you have to. Hi, I'm Corey with Equity Roofing. We're a Platinum Preferred contractor with Owens Corning. Most homeowners don't know what their warranty covers until it's too late. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know so you don't get hit with expensive surprises. There are 3 types of roof warranties, and they each protect you from different problems. First is the manufacturer warranty. This covers defects in the roofing materials. Shingles that crack too early, colors that fade, blistering from material defects. This comes from the company that made your shingles, not the roofer. So what's actually covered? Manufacturer warranties handle defective shingles and material problems when you use proper branded parts. Second is the workmanship warranty. This covers installation mistakes. Poor flashing, shingles nailed wrong, leaking pipe boots. This all comes from your contractor, and not all workmanship warranties are equal. Workmanship warranties cover installation errors and sometimes interior damage protection. Neither warranty covers storm damage. That goes through your homeowner's insurance. Check out our blog on how to deal with insurance in the event Mother Nature isn't having a good day. Third are your system or extended warranties. You'll get these when you use multiple parts from the same manufacturer. The more parts you use, the better your protection. Here's the catch. Extended warranties are exclusive to a manufacturer's top contractors. If your contractor isn't certified at that level, you can't get extended coverage no matter what you're willing to pay. How long do warranties last? That depends on your contractor's certification level. Your basic manufacturer warranties usually give you up to 10 years. But if you work with a top-tier contractor, like a Platinum Preferred or Master Elite, then you can get up to 50 years of coverage. Workmanship warranties work the same way. Basic coverage gives you up to 10 years. Top-tier contractors backed by the manufacturer, well, they can offer you 25 years or even lifetime coverage. And here's why that matters. If your warranty is manufacturer backed, you're covered even if your roofer goes out of business. You should always watch out for vague terms like limited lifetime warranty. Always ask what lifetime actually means. Some only apply to the first homeowner. Others drop way down after 10 or 15 years. Standard warranties come at no extra cost, but upgraded protection can cost more. For a typical home between 2,000 and 2,900 square foot, system protection runs about $100 to $200 extra. Your preferred protection is around $220 to $400, and platinum protection can cost around $360 to maybe even $650. Compared to $20,000 roof, that's not a big deal. But here's what will cost you: voiding your warranty. You can void it by adding a second layer of shingles, do-it-yourself repairs, improperly installed solar panels, clogged gutters, or even nailing into shingles for decorations can all void your warranty. Algae and moss buildup can result in denied claims as well. And if you don't register your warranty within 60 days, or you're missing the installation paperwork, you just might be out of luck. The bottom line, treat your roof right, keep your paperwork organized. If you do need to file a claim, call your contractor first. They should handle the inspection, the photos, manufacturer contact, paperwork, and the repair planning. The process usually takes 3 to 5 weeks, and good contractors manage this at no cost. Always verify your contractor's certification directly through the manufacturer's website. Some contractors claim elite status when they don't actually have it. Your roof is one of your biggest investments, and understanding your warranty protects that investment and can save you thousands in repairs. At Equity Roofing, we guide homeowners through every detail. So check out our blog for more resources on choosing the right contractor. Next stop, a better roof.